have programmed the TMIX to not be able to travel around space. Stayed in one particular area of the planet Earth. You'll be sent there until I feel like you are able to leave. Ah!
Oh no, it's out. I can exact revenge on the fault. Or I could go wherever I want time.
I am a Time Lord. I am the son of President Rassilon. Something has happened to you. Now, can you tell me what it might be?
Change everything when it comes to basketball, tennis, and football, and all, and even Mark Sanchez's butt fumble.
How all this came into play.
Torture yourself for 2 hours straight!
Ow. Hello? Telekinesis. Must have been the time vortex energy. That must have followed me from Gallifrey. You can't stop me.
I banished this power from you! You're lucky I saved your life. Another hour and you would have been dead. So what are you gonna do? You can't exactly charge me with anything.
I'm doing nothing, but you need to remember that I helped you.
This piece of crap. Holy, oh my god.
That's what I'm getting. My muffler, I'm getting back.
Odd, isn't it?
Yeah. Bigger than on the inside than the outside.
That's what she said.
Let me see. Okay. So, what happened to you was that you absorbed the time vortex energy. Drink?
Oh, no thanks. My father was quite the alcoholic.
Oh, don't worry, it's just soda.
Oh, well. Sure then.
So, you didn't absorb all the time vortex energy. You only absorbed about 25 to half of it. So, nobody's supposed to absorb this energy because that's just too much power for one person. See, throughout the entire spectrum of things, the time vortex is supposed to help us Time Lords get from point A to point B throughout space and time. So, that's pretty much all that there is to explain. Are there any questions?
No, seems pretty basic to me.
Tell me a little bit about yourself, Tim.
There isn't really much to say. I mean,
Well, there has to be. Everybody has something unique about them.
Some may consider me psychotic, but,
Why is that?
well, I mean, all this time stuff.
Ah, I see what you're getting at. So, anywhere you want to go?
Well, I've always found myself a fan of Shakespearean times, so, I mean, I like to go back to see that.
I wish I could. But if it wasn't for the doctor disabling the time circuits. Anywhere you want to go here?
Heard Chicago's got great deep dish pizza.
Chicago it is.
Thank you.
You may want to hold on to something.
What do you mean?
That might get a little bumpy. Whoa! Ah, nothing like travel.
Thanks. It's like a roller coaster.
Oh yes.
Just a little bit.
You must be wondering why I can stand up. I'm just used to it.
I'm not.
Here we are.
Chicago.
Well then.
Well,
How long
Tim,
did it take you to get used to this?
about 400 years.
Oh well, that's 4 years I don't have.
Yeah.
Onwards!
Time vortex. God, what was I supposed to say? What did I say?